Hello, kids, family, and friends. Today I bring you with a bird video. This is really new, and my star here and example will be shown, not really example. But anyway, we are doing this in my room, so that's why it's kind of weird, because I just got my bed, dressers, everything moved in, so yeah, so I just decided to do this, and so let's start. So if your bird constantly, say that right there is the cage. So if your bird keeps on constantly doing that, and then you just want to the cage bars, of course, then you just want to step him up on your finger again. Try to walk past without him flying to his cage or just stepping on it. Now, if your bird does not want to come off the bars, what you have to do is, like I did to Julius right there, is you have to grab him gently. I like to grab him like this and put my hand like that. And it usually works. See, like that. Hand like that. Yeah. So there. That worked. Now, if he keeps on constantly doing it, you got to make them where they, even though they don't want to do it, they have to, because it's all part of training. Training my new bird Splash, it's kind of hard, but he's learning how to play dead. I mean, he's a really good bird. My new bird Splash. And Julius was already hand tamed when we got him. Julius, he's mad, but he was already hand tamed when we got him, so that is a special thing about him. And we got them from PetSmart, and it's rare to find one that is actually hand tamed. You can pet anywhere. It's rare to find a parakeet that is hand tamed. Now, the thing about fancy parakeets and normal parakeets. Fancy parakeets are more social, and regular parakeets are not that social. So my suggestion, I can't say that word, but my suggestion is, there it goes, is to choose a fancy parakeet. Splash was a fancy parakeet, and he wasn't hand trained. But if they're not hand trained, then you could actually train them really, really easily. Sorry, I had to get a drink. Chick-fil-A, please inspire me. You just had to do that. You just had to. Oh, gosh. Get off. Can I reach you with my foot? No. Julius, come here. No. Guess we have to go in from the hard way. Dabba booba. Papa tuta. Papa tuta. Da. Oh! Hello. Dang it. Gosh, there's bird poop. Is there ever a chance in my life that I cannot have bird poop? Jeez. Oh my gosh. This is so satisfying to look at. Lucky enough I have toilet paper. Oh no. Too zoomed in. I have toilet paper. So, hold on, did you poop anymore? I don't see it, so. No. I get it? Ah! Hold on. Got the book.